Forgiveness is embracing the love of God. Forgiveness is embracing Jesus Christ. Forgiveness is embracing the power of Holy Spirit. When you forgive, you become free. When you forgive, you become a new creature. Mungu awabariki na nyote mnaotazama. Mungu azwazidishie na endelee kuwabariki. Prayer for today is about forgiveness, so that we can seek forgiveness for our children, forgiveness for our country, forgiveness for our parents, forgiveness for our wives and brothers and sisters and husbands, all of them, so that God can be able to forgive us. What is forgiveness? Praise be the name of God. Forgiveness is embracing the love of God. Forgiveness is embracing Jesus Christ. Forgiveness is embracing the power of Holy Spirit. Forgiveness is caring. The Bible continues to say that besides the reward of letting go of the painful past, there are powerful health benefits that go hand in hand with the practices of forgiveness. Carrying a baggage of unforgiveness is carrying a baggage of sickness. We are suffering because we have decided not to abandon our past, but instead allowed us the past to dominate us. You must forgive and forget. You must learn to live a life that is full of freedom, and forgiveness is a necessary burden. When you forgive, you become free. When you forgive, you are healed. When you forgive, you start afresh. You are renewed. When you forgive, you become a new creature. When you forgive, you are forgiven. And when you are forgiven, you become a child of God. Forgive. Praise be the name of God. Just forgive. Can we say it together? Just forgive. And once you forgive, you are forgiven, because Jesus said that forgive all our trespasses as we forgive those who trespasses. So it is a conditional prayer that you must forgive for you to be forgiven. So just forgive and forget. Forgive your mother, forgive your brother, forgive your father, forgive your daughter, forgive your son, forgive your neighbor, forgive your country, forgive everything around you.